Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. An oxidizing agent is required when a substrate undergoes oxidation, i.e., when there is a loss of hydrogen, gain of oxygen, or an increase in the oxidation state of carbon. Moving on to the next step. Analyze each option for changes in oxidation state. Option A, CH3, CH is equal to CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Propene is converted to propane. This involves addition of H2, reduction of the double bond. The carbon atoms gain hydrogen, so this is a reduction. No oxidizing agent needed, a reducing agent, H2 catalyst, is required. Option B, CH3, CH2O, CH3CHO. Ethanol is converted to acetaldehyde, ethanol. The CH2O group loses two hydrogen atoms to become CHO. Loss of hydrogen is equal to oxidation of the substrate. Therefore, an oxidizing agent is required for this transformation. Option C, CH3, CH2Cl, CH3CH3. Chlorothane is converted to ethane. This involves replacement of Cl with H, reduction. A reducing agent is needed, not an oxidizing agent. Option D, CH3, CH2O, CH3, CH2Cl, ethanol is converted to chlorothane. This is a substitution reaction, or replaced by Cl, not an oxidation reduction process in the classical sense. It requires a reagent like HCl or PCl5, not an oxidizing agent. And for the final step, conclude which reaction requires an oxidizing agent. Only option B involves oxidation of the organic substrate, alcohol to aldehyde, requiring an oxidizing agent such as PCC, K2Cr2O7H2SO4, or Cu at high temperature. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.